strangers, as many as possible. Each mating lasts just seconds. Afterwards, she rolls over, possibly to encourage the sperm to reach deep inside the uterus.
Okay, this is a really bad thing to have in the background.
Animal Planet.
For the sperm, it's both a race and a struggle for survival. First, they confront a wall of thick mucus.
Okay.
Okay,
Charlie, let mommy see that.
protects the female from infection. But now it becomes an obstacle that only the strongest sperm can conquer.
Good boy. Aw, Charlie's got his hair did. Aw.
The mucus wall is
Charlie.
controlled by an army
Oh,
of
Charlie.
cells.
Charlie. Yes, Charlie. Oops. Okay, that one didn't stick.
Only 1% of the sperm